Well, good morning, everyone. So we are in your books, activity 6B, and I assume you have read the postcards and done exercises 1 and 2. And so we're going to go directly to the Learn This box. Yes, so in this section, we're going to work with the present perfect. And let's read the box. It says, we use the present perfect to give news when we do not say exactly when the event happened. Guess what? I've won a competition. Yes? Or B, to talk about events during a period of time. For example, a holiday that is still continuing. I'm in Paris, I have visited a museum, but I haven't seen the Eiffel Tower. This is for something that started, an action or something that started in the past and continues to the present. Yes? C, to ask how long a situation has existed. How long have you been in Spain? Yes? And then we use the present perfect with for or since to say how long a situation has existed. We use for with a period of time and since to say when it started. We've been in Spain for a week, ¿sí? For siempre es con un periodo de tiempo, por una semana, and since Tuesday, desde el martes. Now, I would like you to go back to the postcards and find one more example for A, B, C, and D. Right. When we work with the present perfect, we have to be careful, yes, with the verb go. We know that the past tense of the verb go is went, and the past perfect is the verb gone, right? But there is a difference. So we have to pay attention to this. We often use been as the past participle of go. It means the person has gone and come back. Fue y volvió. She's been to a museum. O sea, fue al museo, volvió y ahora está. She's now back at the hotel. And she's gone to a museum. Se fue al museo y aún no volvió. She's still there. Yes? Now, go to the postcards again and find, yes, all the examples of being in the postcard and decide